Children, I'll start the next chapter, that is sets. You are very familiar with this word sets. We have a habit of having a collection of things, correct? So sets is nothing but collection of things, you can say, collection of objects, you can say, collection of elements and so on. So whenever we have a huge collection, it becomes a set. But when we talk about mathematics sets, we say that it is a set of well-defined objects. Means those objects should be easily definable. I should be able to define them, characterize them. Correct? We never have a same set of shoes. We never prefer having two same mobile phones. Usually, exceptions are there, but we never have a set having both elements same. Therefore, it is said that a set should be a collection of well-defined objects. All sets are denoted by capital letters A to Z, where X and U are by default reserved for universal set. Now, what is universal set? We'll see later on. Okay? Clear? So, any set can be denoted by capital letter. So, I'll say set A with curly braces, and those curly braces contains those objects. Suppose I say set of vowels. So, A, E, I, O, U. So, A is a set of vowels where these vowels are called as members, or they are called as elements of that set. Okay? Now, to indicate that this is an element of set or something is not an element of set. So, if I say A is a member, A is an element. So, I'll write A belongs to A. This stands for belongs or member or element. A is an element of A. If I say B, there is no B. So, B is not an element of A. B is not an element of A. All elements in the set must be unique. Repetition of elements is not allowed. Okay? Then if I say Cartesian value of set, that is called as number of elements of set A. How many are there? 5. So depending upon the number of elements, I can classify the set as empty set. Then I can say also it can be called as null set, empty set or null set. Then I can say singleton set. I can say finite set. I can say infinite set. Okay? If my set contains only one element, if my set contains only one element, it is called as empty set. Suppose I say A having only 0. A having nothing. If there is no element in the set, nothing is there in the set, then it is called as empty set or it is called as null set. We represent it by empty curly braces or by a symbol called as phi, P-H-I. Okay? An empty set means nothing. Either you write by this or you write an empty symbol pi. Then if a set contains only one element, if I define a set B having only 0 or only A, then that set is called as singleton set. What we call singleton set. Then a set which is countable. Suppose if I write 4, 5 numbers. Now this set is easily countable. I know there are 5 elements, so it is called as finite set. What is called as finite set. Then a set which is not countable, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That is, if I talk about set of natural numbers, it is called as infinite set. What we call it as infinite set. Okay. Now before we move further, let us revise something about set. N stands for set of natural numbers. N means set of natural numbers. Okay. Then W stands for set of whole numbers. It starts from 0. I hope you all remember that. W stands for whole numbers. For integers, we write Z. Z stands for set of integers. Z stands for set of integers. If I write Z plus, it means positive set of integers or set of positive integers. Then Q stands for set of rational numbers. Q stands for set of rational numbers. Then we have R. R stands for set of real numbers. R stands for set of real numbers. If I say R plus, it stands for positive real numbers. It stands for positive real numbers. You also have learned complex set. It stands by C. C stands for set of complex numbers. Okay? Is it clear? Understood everybody? Now children, once we understood this, now let us focus on how to define sets. There are two methods to define a set. One is called as roster method, or is also called as listing method. State board have learned sets in their 9th standard. CBSE has not learned. And second method is set builder form. Okay. So first let us learn roster form, that is listing. The name itself says that I have to write every element clearly. Like if I say set of natural numbers, so roster form will be A equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So what am I doing here? I am listing every element. But when I talk about set builder form, I will say that A such that X is a member. Any particular variable X or any particular object X is a member such that X is a natural number. Okay. Once I explain the numericals, you will understand basically what we mean by set builder form. Set builder form, we either write statements or we write specific formulas. Okay. We never list the elements. Formulas and where the number starts, where the number ends. Okay. Initially, just remember this. The listing method means listing all the elements. Like if I say set of vowels, I can write here A, E, I, O, U. But when I say listing method, set builder method, I will say that A, X such that X is a vowel. Okay. Clear? This is theoretical. When we come up for mathematics, you will understand nicely. Okay. So listing method and set builder form. Now it's a request to everybody to refer CBSE textbook sets chapter. I am attaching with the video. Please refer that exercises so that it will be easy for you to understand the entire chapter, because for HSC there is direct first exercise without any basic, but CBSE has given basic by basic. So I'll go by that exercise first, then we'll conclude with the state board exercise. Okay? Yeah. So let's start now with the first exercise. Understood? Listing method and set builder form. The idea will be clear. I'll just give a brief thing. We start with a set equals with the variable X such that what is the condition of X, that will write here, or what is the formula of X, will write here, and where it starts, where it ends, I'll write here. Okay? Children, I am starting sums from exercise 1.1 of CBSE textbook. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First one, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. Can I have a set of collection of all the months of a year beginning with J? Yes. January, then June, July. I can make a set January, June, July. So I will say yes, and I will show the set also, January, June and July. Second, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Can I have a collection of 10 most talented? Can I define talented? No, I cannot say that this writer is talented, this writer is not talented, because it will vary from children to children. So second one is not a set. I cannot make a set of talented people. Third, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Same, I cannot say that the selected batsman is best. It depends upon his daily performance. He may perform poor, he may perform bad. So again, it is not a set. It is not a well-defined object. I cannot define. Okay. The collection of all boys in your class. The collection of all boys. If I collect all the boys of your class, it is a set because there is no differentiation. So yes, it is a set. Okay. Fifth one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Definitely, every number is well defined. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a set. Then a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So I am talking only about the novels written by Munshi Premchand. So every novel title will be different. Every novel will be different. So yes, it is a set. Okay. The collection of all even integers. What are even integers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Integers hai, so I will take negative also. So it is a set. Okay. Eighth one, the collection of questions in this chapter. If I talk about collection, all the questions are different. Yes. So it is a set. Okay. The ninth one, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. I don't know. Correct? I can't say which animal is dangerous. So it is not a set. Is it clear? Yes. Next, it is question number 2. Let A be a set having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to check, is 5 an element of A? Is 5 belongs to the set? Yes, 5 belongs to A. Then 8 is not there. So 8 does not belongs to A. Then 0. Do I have 0 over here? No. 0 does not belong to A. Then 4, it is there. So it belongs to A. 2, it is there. It belongs to A. 10, it is not there. It does not belongs to A. Correct? Very easy sums. Just a quick revision for you. Okay? Now, question number 3. You have to write the following sets in roster form. Roster forms means what? Listing method. I have to write every element in detail. Okay? So first one, x is an integer and x is an integer minus 3 less than x less than 7. It is talking about integers. Integers means this. I have negative numbers, I have 0, I have positive numbers. Since I am talking between minus 3 and 7, my set will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will not include minus 3 and 7 because there is less than sign only, not equal to sign. Okay? Next, second one is set B. X is a natural number less than 6. X is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6. So I cannot have 6 over here. Okay? Now third one. X is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. If I say A be a number, I want that number whose a plus b should be 8. A 2-digit number whose sum of digits is 8. So what can I say about that? I can say 1, 7, 17. Correct? 1 plus 7, 8. 44 I can say. Then 35, 53, 71 and 26, 62. What else? What else you can have? Remaining you will write. Okay. I am not writing. 80. Yes. 80 comes right. 80. I want 2-digit numbers. Anything else? If I have missed out, you have to write. And you have to tell me in the live lecture what I have missed out. Okay. Fourth one. It is x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So what are divisors of 60? It means 60 comes in which table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. Then कौन सा आएगा? 30 है ना? And then 60. Now I want a collection of only prime divisors. So which are prime divisors? 2, 3, 5. Correct? The prime divisors are 2, 3, 5. I cannot take 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So D क्या आएगा? 2, 3, 5. Okay. Next one, fifth one. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry, your favorite chapter. So I want to talk about set of all letters of the word trigonometry. So T, R, I, G, O, N, trigono. O I cannot write because already done. N, O, M, E, T is already there. R is already there. Y. Set of all letters of the word trigonometry. Then sixth one, set of all letters of the word butter. So B, U, T, I will not write T, E, R. Understood? See, listing method is always very easy because it becomes very easy for us to list all the number, all the elements. Correct? Now we'll move on to set builder form. Try to understand set builder form and practice more and more on set builder. Now children, you have to write the set builder form. Remember, I start everything with A is equal to X colon, or you can put a slash. Okay, both are correct. Either put a colon or put a slash. Once you write X, now try to work out what pattern are these numbers following. If you see, every number is a multiple of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So I can say X is nothing but a table of 3. X is a table of 3. Correct? But it is starting with 3 ones are, ending at 3 fours are. इसका मतलब N is starting at 1, ending at 4. So I will say N belongs to natural numbers because it is starting from 1 and it is starting from 1 and ending at 4. Okay. So if I write a set in such a manner, the entire set is defined. How? Let us check. N 1 or 4 bhi chalega. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Since I am talking only natural numbers, so I will only take N as 1, 2, 3, 4. If I would have skipped this part, N could have been anything between 1 and 4. Millions of numbers are there between 1 and 4. So it would have been wrong. Okay? Yes? Okay. Next, I will name it as B. I will be ready with this X part. Now see, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You observe very carefully. You have 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. At 2 to the power 5 finish हो रहा है and it's starting at 2 to the power 1. So again I can write x is equal to 2 raised to n. Yes, n belongs to natural number. इतना नहीं लिखना है, natural number लिखा है तो it is starting from 1. You can also write n less than equal to 2 raised to 5 is 32. या तो less than equal to 5 लिखो or you write less than 6. Both will be okay. ठीक है, less than equal to 5 or less than 6. ठीक है. थर्ड वन सेम है, 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 raised to 4. That's a replica of this. Okay, C आएगा x equals 5 raised to n. n belongs to natural number and n कहाँ खत्म होगा, 4 पे. So I can write n less than equal to 4 or less than 5. ठीक है. Initially the easy ones are there. Later on थोड़ा difficult बनाएंगे. A table of 2, or I can say set of even natural numbers. Yes. Now here there are various ways. You are open up, write anything. I'll prefer this method. X equals to n. N belongs to natural number. That's all. Because infinite set है, so I cannot show any condition for n where it is starting, where it is ending. By default, n is starting from 1, ending. There is no guarantee. So I'll write like this, or else write x is a set of even natural numbers. That also is correct. ठीक है. फिफ्थ वन पे आते हैं अभी. I'll write set E 1, 4, 9. If you observe, सारे क्या है, perfect squares. So perfect square का मतलब x क्या मिलेगा, x मुझे n square है ना. Every number is square of natural number over here. Again it is starting from 1 ending at 10. So n belongs to natural number and n less than equals 10. ठीक है. Yes. Now sixth one, my favorite question, only 0. How will write? Tell me. Only 0 है खाली. So I can write f. There are now various ways. Okay. X. Now tell me. Think over it for the answer. I want 0. Millions of ways are there. Since I have not taught the further part, so I'll write x belongs to whole number and x does not belongs to natural number. Tell me a number which is a whole number but not a natural number. 0. Correct? This is one way. Clear? Or you can write x is non-negative integer greater than -1. X is non-negative integer greater than -1. That also you can write. This also you can write. Okay? You please write different answers for this, and in the live session you please tell me. Okay? Now seventh one. See, I have positive negative numbers. The smallest number is -3, highest number is +3. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स भी है, नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी है, 0 भी है. तो my g, that is x, should be a set of what? Integers. x का सेट क्या होना चाहिए? Integers. So x belongs to z. I'll say x belongs to z, and x स्टार्ट कहाँ से होना चाहिए? -3 से. खत्म कहाँ होना चाहिए? 3 पे. So -3 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. The moment I say x belongs to z, you understood that -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. Eighth one is a classic problem for you. I'll take h. This much we know now. Now I have to write the formula, then the conditions. So देखो, this is 1, this is 2. ये 2 है तो ये 5 है, ये 3 है तो 10 है, 4 है तो 17 है, तो न्यूमरेटर इज देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 तो आई कैन से माय न्यूमरेटर x कैन बी रिटन एज n करेक्ट n नेचुरल नंबर है मैं लिख लेता हूं n बिलोंग्स टू नेचुरल मतलब n स्टार्ट होगा 1 से 1 2 3 प्रॉब्लम कम्स विद द डिनोमिनेटर 1 है तो डिनोमिनेटर कितना है 2 सो आई विल राइट लाइक दिस 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिनोमिनेटर कितना है 5 आई विल राइट 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 क्या लिखेंगे 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कैन यू सी पैटर्न मिल रहा है लेट अस सी फर्दर मिलता है क्या 10 के लिए 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एम आई गेटिंग इट यस 4 के लिए 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 मतलब whichever number is in numerator that same number का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 तो यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर क्या है n तो ये क्या आएगा n स्क्वायर प्लस 1 now n is starting at 1 ending at 7 so I'll say n belongs to this and n is less than equal to 7 understood yes I hope now the scenario is clear for set builder form am I right okay all the elements of the following set so first one x is an odd natural number x is an odd natural number so the odd natural numbers 1 3 5 7 and so on if you don't write dot the teachers will write dot and give a 0 okay second b x is an integer they are talking about integer between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 tell me the integers which are between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 9 by 2 मतलब 4.5 से कम minus 0.5 से ज्यादा that is 0 1 2 3 4 I cannot write 5 because 5 is not less than 9 by 2 ठीक है now third x is an integer such that x square is less than equal to 4 I want x square less than equal to 4 so x 1 or 0 हो सकता है वो 0 square is less than 4 1 हो सकता है 1 square is less than 4 2 हो सकता है 2 square is less than equal to 4 integer बोला है I can get minus 1 also I can get minus 2 also कि minus 1 का square 1 is less than equal to 4 minus 2 का square 4 is also equal to 4 yes now fourth one x is letter in the word loyal very easy we have done क्या आएगा L O Y A L फिर से नहीं लिखेंगे because it is already there fifth one x is a month of a year not having 31 days so let us count January में 31 Feb में नहीं so Feb please write full spelling okay February March में 31 April जनवरी फरवरी मार्च अप्रैल मई में 31 आएगा जून जुलाई नहीं अगस्त नहीं सितंबर then November these are the months where there are not 31 days correct then x is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes k this I am giving you to solve you have learned English in 10th standard so you will tell me the correct answer consonant किसे कहते हैं and precedes k का मतलब क्या है okay now question number 6 is match the following you will try I discuss the answer in the live session okay thank you